The Washington State Department of Transportation has a fish passage project on State Route 116 in Port Hadlock, Irondale. As part of the project, WashDOT will temporarily close a portion of SR 116, known as Ness Road, while work is completed there. WashDOT will keep people moving on a detour. Neighborhoods, schools, and businesses on SR 116 will have access during the closure. Traveling on SR 116 between Shotwell Place and Chimacum Creek Drive will be temporarily replaced with a detour route. If you're on the east side of the closure, take Irondale Road to the north or Chimacum Road to the south until reaching SR 19 and turn to the direction of travel you desire. From the west end of SR 116, follow SR 19 to either Irondale Road or Chimacum Road and turn to the direction of travel you desire. The full roadway closure helps us shorten the timeline of the project. We appreciate your patience while we complete this work. Use this QR code or click the link in the description for updated information. Or go to washdot.wa.gov and search Irondale. Thank you for watching.